Hi, I'm Sébastien Tellier from Scale Computing, and today we're going to showcase SC Connect Secure SD-WAN. One of the big challenges that comes from managed service providers of managing SD-WAN and other network environment is the complexity of managing multiple sites across multiple regions and different consoles and screens. SC Connect solves that by providing an end-to-end management system for SD-WAN that goes from service order to management and service delivery. On screen right now, you see a map of our gateways across North America. These gateways are what allows us to deliver our secret sauce. By hosting an IP address for end customers at those different gateways, we are able to create a overlay network between our customer sites and between our network infrastructure, allowing us to deliver seamless failover or unbreakable internet, as well as bidirectional QoS. Other solutions will typically deliver QoS on one side. In our case, we can prioritize business critical traffic, both on the outbound and on the inbound. This means giving more priority to voice sessions and video sessions than to streaming or other less desirable applications. In this case, I can see that all of our gateways are currently operational. On my client side, I see that there's a problem. If I go on my customer site, we can go and we can drill into it, or I can visit my customers directly. Drilling down into this customer window, I can see their individual sites. The site here, I can see, is color-coded to red, and I know that there's an issue. In this case, I know that this site is simply not connected. It's currently being provisioned. The other two sites are green and there are no issues. This is my view where I can see the individual sites that are being deployed and the remote users with MC Connect Mobile. I can see that I have 2 licenses enabled, 1 is still available, and I can manage my users and create and assign different resources to those users, implementing a ZTNA strategy for my SD-WAN deployment. But back to the deployment. If I want to see more detail and drill down into an individual site, let's go in this one. This is where I can see the health of the network. I can see where it's located. I can see the different metrics, network values. I can see that everything is good on packet loss, on latency, on quality of experience, and on uptime. I can change the values from day, week, or month to have a broader picture. Here I have a view of the health of the individual WAN links, as well as the traffic at the gateway. We display peak values and average values in order to provide a broad picture of the availability of the links, as well as the usage. This allows us to troubleshoot. Total usage by service category is also displayed here. I know that most of the traffic is infrastructure, but I can also see that business services, IT communications are up there as well. If I want to see the health of an individual link, I can do so here. I can see that early last night there was a dip in performance at that site for that one link. This will allow me to troubleshoot easily if there are comments or tickets that are open about poor voice quality. I can also drill deeper and show latency, jitter, as well as packet loss to understand what happened on that link. From a resource availability standpoint, I can configure different resources or routable subnets at the individual site. I can easily configure ISP links, add, remove, or modify in order to provide a resilient internet access. I can prioritize different applications by category using standard templates or configure a custom site template for my different individual sites. In this case, collaboration tools such as Teams, Zoom, or Google Workspace are given priority number 1. Applications such as video games, streaming, are at the lowest priorities, meaning that in the event of congestions, collaboration tools will be serviced first. Traffic steering allows me to prioritize only the traffic that I want to prioritize and send through the SD-WAN overlay. If I have traffic that I want to break out locally, traffic, for instance, that's already encrypted or non-critical, break it out locally. From a security standpoint now, this is where we can implement filters with URL filtering as well as firewall policies. Again, we can use templates to apply a very light security template or a very restricted security template. I can also configure these different applications or different applications categories or URL categories to block only the ones that I want to apply as per the corporate policies. Firewall policies can be also implemented both inbound, outbound, or per application. There is also a way of applying exceptions. In this case, I can apply an exception to specific applications. And in these cases, you will see this little shield icon here. Logs can also be retrieved easily by a click of a button to see what different applications were blocked. In a nutshell, the Cloud Orchestrator for SC Connect Secure SD-WAN is an end-to-end solution to help MSPs manage their customer sites, reduce complexity, and easily hone on the different challenges that can be plaguing their customer sites.